Welcome to Social Media Marketing 101, a beginner's guide. In this comprehensive video, you learn the essentials of social media marketing, including strategy, tools, examples, and actionable steps to kickstart your journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more expert marketing tips. Introduction. Are you ready to unlock the power of social media for your business or personal brand? Social media marketing is one of the most effective ways to reach new audiences, build relationships, and drive sales in today's digital world. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refine your approach, this guide will walk you through the basics, provide real-world examples, and recommend tools to help you succeed. What is social media marketing? Social media marketing involves creating and sharing content on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and others to achieve your branding and marketing goals. It's about engaging your audience, building trust, and driving actions that matter to your business. Why social media marketing matters? Billions of people use social media every day. It's cost-effective and scalable. You can target specific audiences with precision. It helps build brand loyalty and community. Step 1. Know your audience. Understanding your audience is the foundation of any successful social media strategy. Ask yourself, who are they? Age, location, interests, profession. What platforms do they use most? What content do they engage with? Tip: use audience insights from social platforms and tools like Facebook Audience Insights to gather data. Step 2. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve with social media. Common goals include increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, generating leads or sales, building a community. Example goal table. Goal metric to track example target. Brand awareness followers, reach plus 1000 followers more. Website traffic link clicks 500 clicks more. Lead generation signups, downloads 100 leads more. Community engagement comments, shares 200 comments more. Step 3. Analyze the competition. Study what your competitors are doing. Look at the platforms they use, the type of content they post, their engagement rates. Resource: use the Meta Ads library to see competitors' ads and Namechka to check available social media handles. Step 4. Choose the right platforms. Not every platform is right for every business. Focus on where your audience spends their time. Facebook and Instagram, great for B2C brands, visual content. LinkedIn, best for B2B and professional services. Twitter, real-time updates, trending topics. TikTok and YouTube, video-centric, younger audiences. Step 5. Develop a content strategy. Plan what to post and when. Mix up your content to keep things interesting. Educational posts, tips, how-tos. Entertaining content, memes, stories. Promotional offers. User-generated content. Behind-the-scenes looks. Content funnel example. Funnel stage content type example. Awareness entertaining educational fun facts, memes. Consideration testimonials, demos customer reviews. Purchase offers, CTAs discount codes. Create a content calendar to stay organized and consistent. Step 6. Optimize posting times. Post when your audience is most active for maximum engagement. Experiment with different times and use analytics to refine your schedule. Step 7. Engage and build community. Respond to comments, messages, and mentions. Ask questions, run polls, and encourage user-generated content to foster a loyal community. Step 8. Measure and adjust. Track your results using platform analytics and adjust your strategy as needed. Key metrics include follower growth, engagement rate, likes, shares, comments, click-through rate, CTR, conversion rate. Set monthly targets and review your progress regularly. Example: small business social media strategy. Let's say you run a local bakery. Here's how you might approach social media marketing. 1. Know your audience. Local residents, age 20 to 45, food lovers. 2. Set goals. Gain 500 new Instagram followers in 3 months. Drive 200 website visits per month. 3. Analyze competition. See what other bakeries post behind the scenes, daily specials, customer photos. 4. Choose platforms. Focus on Instagram and Facebook. 5. Content strategy. Post daily photos of fresh pastries, run weekly contests, share customer stories. 6. Optimize timing. Post at 8 a.m., breakfast crowd, and 5 p.m. after work. 7. Engage. Reply to every comment. Feature customer photos in stories. 8. Measure. Use Instagram Insights to track reach and engagement. Top tools and resources for beginners. Tool purpose description. Loomly scheduling content calendar plan, create and schedule posts. Social pilot scheduling analytics manage multiple platforms. Bulk scheduling. Tap influence influencer marketing find and manage influencers. Bazumo content discovery analysis find trending topics, analyze performance. Lumen 5 video creation easily create short videos for social media. Tips for success. Stay consistent with your posting schedule. Test different content types to see what resonates. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn from your results. Keep up with trends and platform updates. Ending and call to action. Congratulations! You now have the foundational knowledge to start your social media marketing journey. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Stay patient, keep learning, and adapt as you grow. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe now to our channel for more beginner-friendly marketing tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Have questions or want to share your experience? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Ready to take your social media marketing to the next level? Let us know what topic you want to learn about next.